Today, when almost every child from the age of 6 to the age of 25 has the access to the most effective but at the same time most dangerous equipment, we need to build strategies to make the optimum utilization of the equipment, that is, mobile phone. As educators, as parents, as counselors, need to understand that access to the phone cannot be reduced, but access to the better content is possible. We have to create content that is interesting, effective, and engaging so that it is well accepted by the young generation. This is the need of an hour. We as educators are committed to work not only to provide the best content but also to provide the science of morality and ethics. We all believe that this internet is like a global institution where educators, pedagogies have to come together and deliver the content that creates positivity, values, and ethics in the mind of young learners. We promise to take the support of our reverential and philosophical manuals along with the delivering agents like Google, YouTube, and all social media interface to prioritize the content on search engines in such a way that morality survives and the child can be influenced by the positivity and authenticity of the same. We understand that there are many who are working on this and thinking of the same, and we just as small players, but we are sure many of us, including individuals and entrepreneurs, will come up and support the same to make this happen. In fact, this has to happen because we all know the goodness is still dominating the evilness in the society. But this has to generate a bigger gap and goodness should rule the world. In the end, we would conclude with one of the most effective shlok from Bhagavad Gita, which depicts that by performing our recommended dharma, that is, our religious duties, we should also execute our duties to set an example for the goodness to this world. It is known that whatever actions great persons perform, masses do follow. Whatever standards they set, the whole world pursues. Quite similar to Purushottam Ram, who attained perfection.